A wet dawn, a rock fest and a waterfall to end our trip. We're hiking in northern Yunnan right here on Drone and Phone.
Well, good morning. It's our last episode of our Yunnan adventure. You can see I'm not feeling great. How are you?
Yeah, a little bit better than you, but a little bit chilly, to be honest.
Well, our run of good fortune seems to have come to an end. We've had fantastic weather the whole way along, but it's raining. We're about to set off from Yubeng. We're going to be going for about 5.5 kilometres to go and find a sacred waterfall.
Yeah, looking forward to it. It better be good because it's chucking it down.
It is chucking it down. Let's go.
Come on.
Nestled between the Tibetan Plateau and the deep gorges of the Yangtze and Mekong rivers is one of China's most spectacular outdoor adventure destinations, northern Yunnan. Towering snow-capped peaks dominate the skyline, while dramatic gorges offer world-class trekking along cliffs and rushing rivers. We know it's not easy to self-organise your own trips into remote areas of the Chinese mainland, so in this series we guide you through 8 amazing hikes that all start and finish at a comfortable bed for the night. For this series, I'm along with an old friend, Andy Jameson, now a regular fixture on Drone and Phone and always up for an adventure. After a comfortable night in a small hotel in Yubeng, we've risen before dawn to get one last hike in before walking the 12 kilometres back to Ninong, where we have left the car.
Now, basically there are 2 different hikes that you can do, or 2 popular hikes. There's more than 2 obviously, but 2 popular hikes you can do from Yubeng. One is to a glacial lake, which is about 15 kilometers there and back, and quite tough. And then this is slightly easier. We were going to do the glacial lake, but given the weather, we've opted for the easier option to go to the secret waterfall. And hopefully, because of the rain, the waterfall will be in full flow.
The Sacred Waterfall hike is a spiritually rich and visually stunning trek that begins in the remote Tibetan village nestled beneath the Malay Snow Mountains. The waterfall is a pilgrimage destination for Tibetan Buddhists who believe prayers at the site will be answered.
Well, I've got to say, this is absolutely extraordinary. I love these little, almost like little, I don't know, cans or little worship things. There's a huge one back there, just enormous, just back there, look. But it is wonderful, and there's thousands and thousands of them. They're all over the place. Really cool, really cool.
Tibetans believe that these stones carry blessings and can protect travellers, purify karma and bring good fortune. We're hoping that they are going to keep us safe as the weather starts to close in on us and the gradient begins to rise.
So the first part of this hike is nice and flat, easy going, along the concrete path along the river. But you can see the river's dropped way below us already now as we start to climb. I'm estimating about a 500 metre climb on this hike, over 5 kilometres, but all the climbing really comes at the end.
As you climb higher, we start to see more and more prayer flags, which makes the path more colourful and gives a sense of achievement as we push further up the valley.
Well, we're an hour in, it's 7:30 in the morning, going up to this sacred waterfall. 10k in total, 5k there, 5k back, and 500 meters up to the top and then 500 meters down, so it's not a bad way to get your heart pumping before breakfast.
There is one farm along the route that offers some simple snacks and drinks. For us, it comes as the heavens open and provides a much needed shelter.
Well, we've arrived at this little hut. It's like a farm hut, and they have coffee, which is just remarkable, and boiled eggs. So breakfast is served Plus, we're sitting around a nice warm fire. This is the kind of hospitality that I remember from Yunnan and I love.
While I tuck into my eggs and coffee, Andy has gone looking for the toilet.
Well, I just had a wee in possibly the most basic loo I've ever been in my life. I'll spare you the details, but oh my word. A couple of yaks over here in the field, and I'm just going to spin you around because I'm just going to go and have a latte in here. It's going to be, of course, a skinny latte with oat milk and a shot of vanilla essence. Not. Oh, that's really good. I can't believe I was doubting it. It's really tasty.
Okay, so this is there and back. We've got it all mapped out here. It's 5 kilometers there, 5 kilometers back. The highest point here is 3657. So we're climbing, around 500 meters in total. Let's go.
The path is concrete all the way to the waterfall, a real blessing for us on a day like this, where we could have been trudging in thick mud. There are a lot of switchbacks to help deal with the climb, and a few steps too.
So the path did get a little easier earlier on, and I thought we'd done the hard work, but it's happening now.
For us, this 5 kilometre walk is proving a lot tougher than it should be.
Well, Andy, in my mind that is a waterfall, and it looks pretty sacred, so I think we call it quits.
Wouldn't that be nice? Oh, the air's got suddenly really thin. Not easy at all.
As we approach the waterfall, our driver Xiao Wang begins a ritual which I'm keen to ask him more about.
你想吗？这是
这是我们的民风民俗，属于藏族人，比较朝拜我们这个门里雪山啊，所以我们是特意来朝拜他们的。
We spend as much time as we can at the waterfall, watching locals bathe in the freezing water and marvelling at the splendour of the panorama that surrounds us. It feels a fitting finale to 9 spectacular hikes we cannot recommend enough to experience for yourselves. It's a long way back down to Ninong, but with a refuel in Yubeng on the way down, and with the exhilaration of reaching the waterfall still with us, we make it before dark and head back to Shangri-La. In the final episode, we will put down our hiking poles and offer our 10 tips on planning a trip to Yunnan as we explore the city of Shangri-La.
Well, that's the end of this episode. 5k, pretty tough. How's it been for you, Andy?
Well, not too bad. A very early start. It's rained all the way through until we've got to the top, and now we're in glorious sunshine when we get to the Sacred Waterfall.
It's been quite a tough 5k for sure. Now, it's the end of our series too. How have the last 9 days, 9 hikes been for you?
Well, it's been wonderfully varied, from super hot to pretty cold. We've had sunshine, glorious sunshine, hailstorms, thunder. We've had the lot.
We have indeed. Now, if you want to find that and all of our other episodes, you're going to find that on our website at droneandphone.com and also on our YouTube channel. Now, we've got 17k to get back down, but we're going to finish this episode here. Hang around till next week because we're going to do 10 tips from Yunnan. But from now, it's a very ecstatic but cold DJ.
And I'm a very waterfall, freezing cold, wet Andy J.
And this is Drone and Phone.
你好 Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Oh,
You
老
good?
家哪里
Oh, very good. And how are you? Bye. Bye bye. Can't believe she's on a donkey. Cheat.